Welcome back to my little shop. Here I have, this is my personal Washburn D10, and what's the problem with it, and the reason I've taken the strings off is over the last 16 or 18 years that I've owned it, the bridge has started to peel and the belly has started to bow. So this has been over just the last couple of years that I've really noticed this. And now that I'm starting to learn more and more about guitar maintenance and work, I have an idea on what to do. Now you can really see how steep the incline or decline for this bridge is. I mean, back here we've got practically an inch right here at the back of the guitar, maybe just shy of an inch. And we can also see just how bowed this little belly is. Now I've had it out here for about 4 days, and what I've done is I've added a lot of water to my little humidifier, and I also have these two of these little drop-in humidifiers. Try and raise the humidity of the guitar. And one person, I saw a YouTube video of a person who stuck a glass of water inside the guitar, closed it up, and then waited a couple weeks. The moisture in there soaked into the wood and the belly kind of reduced. So I'm kind of hoping that happens in this case. And if it does, then I'll be able to hopefully save this bridge. If I absolutely have to, I'll peel the bridge, flatten everything down, re-glue it. But I'm not ready to do that right now. So this is where I'm at. This is step one of repair my Washburn D10.